Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete and reactivate a customer in QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you're on the main homepage. From there, look to the left side navigation area and click the 9-dot menu icon. This is where QuickBooks groups key areas of the platform, making it easier to move between sections. Once that menu opens, select Customer Hub. This will take you into the Customer Management area, where you can view and organize your customer records. Next, click Customers and Leads to open the full customer list. This page is useful because it gives you a central view of all customer entries currently available in your company file. From the list, select the sample customer you want to work with. This opens that customer's profile, where you can manage details and account status. In the top right area of the customer page, click the drop-down menu. This menu contains additional actions for that specific customer record. From the drop-down options, choose Make Inactive. In QuickBooks Online, making a customer inactive is essentially the way to remove them from your active list without permanently erasing historical transactions. That means any past invoices, payments, or records tied to that customer remain intact, which is helpful for clean record keeping. After that, click. Customers at the top left to return to the main customer list. Now that the customer has been made inactive, the next part is to locate that hidden record so it can be reactivated. On the right side of the customer list page, click the Settings option. In the menu that appears, select Include Inactive. This updates the list so inactive customers become visible again. If you don't see the customer right away, this setting is usually the reason, so it's a good one to remember. Once inactive customers are showing, find the same customer in the list. Then click the Make Inactive option shown for that customer. In this view, that option functions as the toggle that restores the customer to active status. After you click it, the customer will be available again in your regular active list. And that's it. You've now learned how to make a customer inactive and then reactivate them in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple way to keep your customer list organized while still preserving important account history for future reference.